forgot to talk about, you know, blush and bronzer. So for bronzer and contouring, I really love the Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette. Now the reason why I like this, and I always like advise beginners in makeup to, when you're starting out makeup, it's good to get like palettes, like face palettes, blush palettes and stuff, because then you have a variety of colors. So this one, it comes with a contour shade, a sculpting shade, which is bronzer, and a highlight shade. I really love this for bronzing and contouring. What I usually do is, I'm not a contour person, but if I'm using this shade, I mix the two just to add some warmth back, because this is very cool tone. But I really like this. It's super affordable. Black Radiance is a drugstore. It's a Black owned brand, and it is at the drugstore. You can find that at Target, CVS, Walgreens, and I really like their products. And so what I do is I mix these two for bronzing, and then this is such a beautiful gold highlight. And the thing about these is that there's a fair to light, there's a medium to dark, dark to deep, and I think there's one that is darker than this. There are array of colors that it can work for. And then another bronzer contour that I really like is the e.l.f. Putty Bronzer. Now this one comes in a lot of shades, and this goes really deep. Now mine is in the shade Sun Kissed, and this is, on my skin tone, it runs, I feel like, more like a contour shade on my skin. It looks more cool tone on my skin tone, and it is the bronzer that I'm wearing today. I don't know if you guys can notice it, but I am wearing it today. I did go in with a light hand because it is more like a cool tone, and I didn't want to contour my face. But I really love the formula of this. I like how it's very natural looking, but you can also build it up to be very full glam. So I like both aspects of it. I like that it's natural looking, but it's also, you can build it up to look super glam. So this one is really good. And then for blush, you guys, I really recommend this Milani Cheek Kiss liquid blush for your beginner makeup kit. This is such a beautiful cream liquid blush. Sorry, it's not cream blush. Liquid blush. It's so natural, it's so rosy, it's so beautiful, and they have other shades in this. I happen to have the shade Rose Romance, which is like a more mauvey pinky toned. I also like the Wet n Wild Mellow Wine blush. This is my favorite blush from Wet n Wild at the drugstore. This is the Color Icon blush line, and this is super cheap and very affordable. So this one is very amazing, and it works for an array of skin tones. For highlight, I really like the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer highlight. Actually, no, this is the Butter Bronzer, and this is in the shade Brazilian Glow, but I use it as a highlight. So I was thinking that I was going to be like a brown shade and, you know, bronze my skin, but this is actually a highlight color, and it's like a really beautiful gold, very rich gold, and I really love it, and it looks beautiful on deeper skin. I think that this is like a perfect highlight, and it's so metallic-y, and it's so smooth and very buttery, like the buttery line. But this is such an amazing highlight, and it's so beautiful. And if you're looking for something more natural, because I feel like this can be intense, this can be very intense, this highlight. If you're looking for something more natural, I would say that the Essence Pure Nude Sunlighter in 40 Be My Sunlight would be a more natural highlight if you don't really want to highlight intensely. I'm not wearing any highlight today, it's just my blush. I think it's very dewy, but this Essence one, I would say is more natural than the Butter Bronzer. And now we are on to the lip category. So I have some lip liners to share with you guys. I have some lipsticks and some lip glosses. And yeah, so lip liners. I think that every beginner makeup kit needs a couple lip liners. Like, I think you need your nude. I think you need like maybe a red, and then like a pinky shade, like kind of like what I'm wearing on my lips today. So for browns, I have a couple of brown lip liners for you to like create a nude lip. I have the NYX Suede Matte Lip Liner in Cold Brew. I love this color. I also have the NYX Lip Liner in Toast. This is a dupe for MAC Cork. It's such a pretty color. It's like a mid-tone goldeny brown. And I also have the NYX Suede Matte Lip Liner in Downtown Abbey. This is another brown lip liner. And these are my, really from the drugstore. They're all from NYX. I just realized that they're all from NYX. But these are really my go-to nude lip liners. I use these lip liners when I want to create a nude lip. I just love them. I love the feeling of them. They're very easy to use, and they do last on the lips. So these are amazing. And I believe that, like, I know the NYX Toast Lip Liner is like $3 and something cents. I think these are also like $3 to $4 or like $5, but these are really, really affordable lip liners. And now for the more colorful lips, if you want to do the colors on your lips, I really like the Wet n Wild Perfect Pout Gel Lip Liner. I love this one. This is in Gone Burgundy. This is the lip liner that I am wearing today, but I have also worn this as a lipstick by itself. If you guys look at this shade, it is so freaking pretty, and I love this color so much. So I think like a nice, you know, pinky red is nice to have. And I also would recommend having like a plumish color. Now this is by Jordana. This is the easy liner, and this is in the shade Plush Plum. So I think like having a nude, a red, a pinky color, and a purple, like a plum color would be very nice to have in your beginner kit. And I also would recommend, oh, I also love this one too. This one is also by Wet n Wild. This is Plum Together. So this is another one of the gel pout colors. So this one looks more so like this. It looks more kind of like reddish color. I have 4 lipsticks that I wanted to share with you guys that is good to have in your beginner makeup kit. The first one is by Revolution Makeup, and this is Cashmere. I talk about this product all the freaking time. I have another video about I forgot what the title of my video. Oh, it was my, I think it was a video that I did. Oh, it was nudes for dark that work for dark skin, and I talk about Cashmere. I've been talking about Cashmere for years now, and I really, really love this. This is my favorite nude to wear every day, and this is from the drugstore, and it's super affordable. So I really, really love to pair this with a brown lip liner. It looks gorgeous. And I also really, really love this color right here. This is by Wet n Wild, and this is Red Velvet. Now this is like your perfect like apple red. Like this is such look like classic red, you know. This is like a classic red that you have, like that bold pretty red that you just have in your collection. I feel like every makeup kit you need that nice red. And if you're not someone who likes red lipsticks, then you wouldn't get it. But if you are someone who's likes red, I would definitely recommend getting this lipstick from the drugstore. These are very cheap, and they do last on the lips. With a good lip liner, it will last. And this is just such a beautiful red. I feel like on so many skin tones this looks so beautiful. And I also think that you should have a like a darker, deeper vampy color. So this is by Maybelline, and this is Burgundy Blush. Now this might not be for everybody, but now that we're coming upon fall, I just feel like this shade here is so beautiful for the fall time. It's such a nice vampy color, and you know, if you have like a bright red, maybe you could have like a deeper, darker red to kind of, you know, go with different seasons and different times. I just think that this is such a beautiful color. It does look kind of brown, but it is burgundy, and it is gorgeous, 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 gorgeous. And on dark skin looks beautiful. Even like any skin tone, this really works well. I have this last one, this last tube lipstick by Maybelline as well. This is Touch of Spice, and I like this for, you know, it's like a pinky reddish shade. This one is also very beautiful, and these are great quality lipsticks as well. I just think that I'm trying to give you guys, you know, a lot of options here. You know, you don't have to buy everything, but it's just like to give you guys an array of options of what you can put in your makeup kit. I always like to over prepare and under prepare. I actually have some more lip products, and these are the more liquid lip products. So I really love this e.l.f. liquid matte lipstick, and this is in the shade Coffee. If you are a deeper, darker skin tone, this would be more of a nude on our skin. And and this is what it looks like. It's like this brownie shade here, and with a lip liner is so beautiful. And if you are more on the fair side, this will look like a brown lipstick, which I think brown lipstick is so pretty. I don't know, I just love the look of brown lipstick. I think it looks so nice with like a wing and mascara, and then brown lipstick. It looks so gorgeous. But I really think that a nice nude liquid lipstick would be very good to have in your beginner kit. And I also think like a nice pinky shade, pinky rosy shade would be nice as well. And this is the color I'm wearing today. Now I love colors like this, so I am a little bit biased towards these colors, so of course I'm going to mention it. And I'm wearing the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink, and this is in 160 Mover, and this is what it looks like here on my arm, and then this is what it looks like on my lips. So I'm very biased towards this color, but I think, you know, a nice mauve tone shade is nice to have in your collection. And then lastly, you guys, I really love these lip lacquers by e.l.f. These are so cheap, so affordable. I recommend the clear one because I feel like the clear one you could put on top of any lipstick. It's not going to change the color of your lipstick. So if you want to, you know, make any lipstick more shiny, more like a gloss, you just use the clear one. It's not going to alter the color. And then I really like this one, Moody. This one, this lip lacquer is more of like a pinky brown. Like it has a brown undertone to it, but it's so natural. You know what looks so beautiful? This e.l.f. matte lipstick in coffee with Moody. The mix is just such a beautiful nude on deeper skin. So guys, this is it for this video. I hope you guys really liked and got some ideas for a beginner drugstore kit. And all these products are dark skin friendly as well. And if you're not dark skin, these products, you know, they have an array of shades. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you are not already, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.